Hello everyone, welcome back to another exam time for basic Chinese. And the content for today's exam will continue on being vocabularies from random lessons. The first question, which one is the hands of 金子? Do you guys remember or not? A is 叉子, B is 珍珠, C is 金子, D is 紫金, and 金子 is C. The next question, which one is the hands of 戒指? I'll give you time to think first. A is 项链, B is 戒指, C is 牙膏, D is 钢铁, and 戒指 is B. Another question here, which one is the hands of 树? I will explain it later. A is 树, B is 虎, C is 人, D is 云, and 树 is A. Let's move on to the next question. Which one is the hands of 可? Is it A, B, C, or D? A is 喝, B is 炒, C is 洗, D is 可. And the right answer for this question is D. The next one, which one is the hands of 开? You can try to recall first. A is 上, B is 高, C is 开, D is 南. And the correct answer for this question is C. So guys, another question for today. Which one is the hands of 进? You can try to guess first. A is 进, B is 放, C is 坏, D is 拒. And the right answer for this question is A. So the next question, which one is the hands of 给? Which one do you think is the correct one? A is 要, B is 给, C is 飞, D is 走. And the correct answer for this question is B. So we have one more question here. Which one is the hands of 忙? Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? A is 笑, B is 忙, C is 瘦, D is 半. and B is the correct answer for this question. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. That's all for today's exam. Continue practicing and you guys will do better in our next exam.